Good afternoon, dear students.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
See, we learned in the last class we learned about soluble and insoluble substances. What is a solute? What is a solvent? What is a solution? Are you remembering these all things?
Ma'am, you send notes also.
Okay. Notes also. So you are remembering these all things: solute, solvent,
ma'am.
solution, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everybody is writing down the notes, copying the notes. You have to learn the new words also. Okay, write and study the new words also. I mean,
Solute, solvent.
okay. So here today we can learn say water. Water dissolves all things, right? All substances. Almost all substances dissolve in water. So we can call water as universal solvent.
Ma'am, can you say one more time?
Yes.
Pardon, ma'am, pardon.
Shreya. See,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, we will repeat it. Okay, please wait. Okay, so maybe due to the connection problems, it is coming late. But 2 or 3 times teachers are repeating it, right? Okay, please wait. Okay, so water, as water can dissolve almost all substances in it, we can call water as universal solvent. Universal solvent. Okay, solvent. It is a solvent, right? So we can call universal solvent. So let me ask you, Hridan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent? Tell me. Now only I finished that one. Prinova.
Ma'am, now only I get in the class.
I saw you. You are sitting here. I am watching you all. Prinova. Which is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent? Prinova. No.
Ma'am?
No response. Vaikari. Vaikari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me which is the universal solvent?
Water.
Water. Okay, just now I explained it. Water is the universal solvent. Why we call water as universal solvent?
Because
can
it
say?
ma'am,
Who can
because
say?
it dissolves. Ma'am,
Srishankar, wait. See, who can say why we call water as universal solvent? Raise your hand.
Okay,
Raise
sorry.
your hand. Don't unmute. Let me ask who all are attending the class. Okay. Why we call water as universal solvent? Vishnu Venu, tell me.
Ma'am, I come now few minutes ago.
Okay. So wait. Who can say it? Okay, Sri Shankar, tell me.
And because it dissolves everything.
Okay, it can dissolve almost all the substances in it.
Okay,
So we can call water as universal solvent.
Okay, ma'am.
So at this time, you just check it. If we put oil in water, will it mix?
No, ma'am.
No. Oil is insoluble in water. Oil is insoluble in water. Will not dissolve in water. Okay. So that so you might. I mean your the network is slow. Okay. Please wait. So here we can tell. Say you might have seen the paint workers, right? Paint workers. Are they washing the paint brushes using water?
No, ma'am.
No. They are not using water for cleaning their paint brushes. They will ask some kerosene, right? They will use some kerosene. No, at our home, we are not keeping any petrol. So usually they will ask kerosene. Sometimes they may tell us to buy turpentine. That also they can wash. They can wash the paintbrush using this kerosene. Understood? Because kerosene can dissolve paint. Understood? The kerosene can dissolve paints, but this water can't dissolve the paint. Paint is insoluble in water, but soluble in kerosene, petrol, like this solvent. That is why paint workers are asking kerosene for cleaning their paint brushes and their drums. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's understood.
Okay. See, I want to see who is this admin. I can't identify. I see rename it admin. It is written admin there, but I can't see the face also. I want to identify you. Who is this one? Admin is written. Anybody can identify?
Ma'am,
No,
I can see only a head.
Yes, that is why I am
Yeah,
saying. Who is this one? Who is this one with the blue headset? Who is this one?
I thought she
We are talking about this which all some substances that will not dissolve in water, but they may dissolve in some other solvent. See, you might have seen your parents are giving your some clothes, which is to wash for washing, dry clean centers, right? Dry clean centers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if especially if some oil marks are there on the sari or on the clothes, that they will take to, that they will give for washing. Which one? This dry clean.
Yeah, dry clean.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dry clean. You will dry clean that. See, at home we are using water for washing the clothes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
if
ma'am.
oil marks are there on the cloth, oil does not dissolve in water. So if we are using water for washing it, then also sometimes it is that the marks won't remove. For that, we will give these type of clothes to dry clean. In dry cleaning centers, they may use petrol. They may use petrol for washing that marks. This oil can dissolve in petrol. So it is easy for them to clean that stains. Okay, so why we are giving clothes which are having oil stains for dry cleaning? Because in dry cleaning they are using petrol as a solvent for washing. This oil marks, this oil drops can dissolve in petrol. So it will be easy for to wash it. Can you understand this all?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Okay.
Tell that one more.
Okay, yes, sure. Is it not clear?
Yeah.
My voice is not
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yeah, sometimes your sound is low.
Okay. Your sound is
Some
also
more
breaking.
so
That
that
is
can
okay. So here, see, we are giving some oil stained clothes for dry clean. What do you mean by oil stained clothes? Some
Oil
oil
mark.
drops. Oil drops. Some if it falls on the cloth, that it will make a oily appearance. This oil stained cloth we can give for dry clean. They are using petrol as solvent for washing it. Okay, we are using water as a solvent. But in dry cleaning centers, they may use petrol as solvent. This oil can dissolve in the petrol. So it is easy for them to wash it. Okay. So
Wash.
if at our home also, if we can use petrol for washing these all small stains. That is why here we are giving some oil stained clothes in the dry cleaning center. Okay, you might have heard, right? Some which one? Some silk sarees or your costly dresses. Sometimes your parent may say we can give it for dry cleaning. You might have heard it, right? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why we are giving to there? What they are doing there? Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, I
fine.
didn't give at all.
Okay, okay. So
Ma'am,
this
I
was-
gave.
Okay, you are giving, right? Okay. So next time onwards, you check it. Okay, why we are giving it? Otherwise, you can't ask your mother, mother, why we can't wash it here? Likewise, you can ask. So she may reply this also. Okay.
Ma'am.
Next one. This is two activities are given here in the textbook. See, one of it is take a glass, pour some half glass of water, normal water. You have to do it at home. Okay, it is given in the textbook. So take a glass. After that, you can put some water in it, half glass of water. Then you put, okay, no. Then you put some 1 spoon of salt in it. Put some 1 spoon of salt. So, if I put 1 spoon of salt in half glass of water, what will happen? Who can say?
Ma'am, it will dissolve. It will
It
dissolve.
will
in
dissolve.
water.
Ma'am.
We can't see that. It will disappear into the water, right? Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
I had did that for gargling. I had did that for gargling.
okay. Gargle for gargle. Okay, you have to do that one
gargling.
every. Okay.
For our,
Yes, ma'am, I did that. I
Okay,
will
you
do
have
that.
to. Everybody has to
I also,
follow that.
ma'am.
Okay, morning and night. At morning, when you are taking bath, if you are using hot water, you can take some water from that. You can put 1 spoon of salt. After using, you can gargle with it. Wash your
Yes, ma'am, it will
throat.
disappear in the water.
Yeah, okay.
When
So
we are-
you know that. You know that. So if I am putting 6 spoons of water to the same quantity of 6 spoons of salt to the same quantity of water, what will happen then? That is what I want to know.
okay.
Ma'am, Shreya.
Listen, 1 minute. I will repeat.
Ma'am, can you
I
tell
will
one more?
repeat. If I am putting 1 spoon of salt in half glass of water, you told it will disappear, it will dissolve. Okay. See again, I am taking 6 to 7 spoons of salt. Just to check 8 spoons of salt, and if I am putting it in the same water, same quantity of water, what will happen?
It will disappear.
Ma'am.
It will dissolve.
1 minute. Will it all the salt will disappear into that water?
No, ma'am, some
No,
will
ma'am,
be
some-
in
Some will be there.
under the water.
You can see.
Glass.
You can see if we are putting a lot of salt in the same quantity of water, some salt will dissolve, but some salt will remain as undissolved at the bottom of the glass. Some salt only will dissolve, some salt will settle at the bottom of the glass.
Middle, the middle bottom.
When we are drinking tea and
At the
finish, we will
bottom
say
of the
sugar.
glass. Okay, so At the bottom of the glass, we can see some undissolved salt. Why it is so? Why it is so? When we put 1 spoon, it dissolved in it. When we put 8 spoon of salt, only some salt
Ma'am, it
disappeared.
do not have the quantity of.
Okay.
Don't
Water gets filled with salt. Right? Okay, when we add more and more salt, see that quantity of water can take only some quantity of the salt. So, water gets filled with salt. It cannot take up any more salt from that. That is why the excess salt remains at the bottom of the glass. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear, ma'am.
Yes, now it's clear.
Once again, I will tell. See, when we use more salt to the same quantity of water, some salt will dissolve and some salt will not dissolve and it will settle down at the bottom of the glass. This is because water gets filled with salt. It cannot take up any more salt. But it will dissolve the salt which remained undissolved. It will get dissolved. What we want to do?
We want to put some more water.
Yeah, very good. If we are keeping. Freya, are you doing the activity there? You are
No.
doing the activity in the kitchen.
Now we
No,
should do.
ma'am.
No. See, we are discussing here.
Ma'am.
But Prayag is turning back. I thought he is taking the salt from the kitchen and doing it. Just for a job. Okay. So here, if we put some more water into that glass, the salt which is undissolved also will get dissolved. Okay. So there some more water it came. That water can take the excess salt. The same thing you can experiment using the sugar also. Take some water, half glass of water, put 1 spoon of sugar, it will dissolve. Take 7-8 spoons of sugar in it and check it. Surely you can see some sugar will settle down at the bottom as undissolved. Then what you will do for dissolving it?
We'll add more water.
We want to put some more water.
Okay, you can add some more water for dissolving the undissolved sugar. You can do it. After that, you take some lime juice and drink it. Mix it and drink it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You can take some juice pulp or something and you can have it. So it won't get wasted. It won't get wasted.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
if we are using sugar, we should not waste. Otherwise, your mother will scold me. Right? Okay. So do these all things. Okay.
Ma'am, if you use.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this activity you can do it at home. And one more activity is there on page number 20. That also you have to do. Okay. Here, this activity, no need to read it now. Just listen. We can discuss. See here, we can take 3 glasses. Okay, 3 glasses we can take it. Then you have to use sugar here. Okay, so just tell your mother I will use little sugar only. Then take some bail from your mother.
My mother will not tell nothing.
Okay, so you can do one thing. You can do one thing. I will tell you at the last what to do. Okay, Hridan, mute your audio. So take 3 glasses. Then in 1 glass, you put some water and 1 or 2 ice cubes. Okay, in 1 glass, keep 2-3 spoons of water, then put some ice cubes also, 1 or 2 ice cubes. Okay. In the other one, take normal water, which you are getting from the pipe. Take normal water. And in another one, another third glass, you take some hot water. Don't burn your hands when you are heating water, okay? Tell your mother to make it hot and heat. Okay?
And so
Don't-
bacteria will be dying. If any
Okay,
bacteria.
See, listen, what I am going to say is something different.
Ma'am, first glass only ice cube.
First, you have to take 1 glass, you take ice cubes and some water. Another glass, you take normal water, and in the third glass, some hot water.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, tell me.
There is no ice cubes. What we should do?
Ice cubes you have. Ice cube, cold
And
water.
my
is
father
enough.
will put that
Okay,
in
ma'am.
water
No,
and
no, no.
drink.
Say if ice cubes are not keeping, you can keep some cold water before that, and you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
use that cold water. Okay.
Okay,
Cold
ma'am.
water
My
is
father will
so-
do like that way. Ice
Okay,
cubes
okay.
and putting and
Okay, see, 1 minute. Okay. So here we have to use 3 glasses, I told. After that, take 1 spoon of sugar. Hridan, take one spoon of sugar and put in these 3 glasses. And stir it. Okay, and stir it. When you stir that, and in which glass you can see
Ma'am,
sugar is
all-
getting. 1 minute, Sri
Excuse me.
Shankar, please wait.
Ma'am, not Sri Shankar.
ma'am, not
ma'am,
me.
Riddhan.
Riddhan.
Dan only.
Riddhan, mute your audio. Riddhan, mute it. Okay, so here after doing it, you can put the 1 spoon of sugar and you can stir it. 3 glasses. So you can see that the sugar which we put it in the hot water will disappear fast.
Yes, ma'am. Really.
Okay, the sugar which we put in the hot water, it will dissolve fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Normal water will take some time. And what about the ice cold water? What about in the ice cold water?
So difficult.
It will be difficult. It will take more time. Right? So,
It will dissolve, but so
it will take more. So, then in which glass it will dissolve
It
fast?
will be
warm water.
hot water.
Warm water.
Okay, okay.
Hot water.
Ice
I
cube
think-
will be
Yeah, I think you are feeling this difficulty when you are preparing juices or lime juice, something.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
See,
Yeah,
sometimes
ma'am.
your
For
parents may ask you to prepare lime juice or some juice. Huh? So, if you are putting water, then lime juice. After that, if you are putting ice cubes and then you are adding the sugar, you won't get that juice for drinking on that day.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have to drink it. You have to keep it for the next day because it will take long of time to dissolve. Right? I
Okay, ma'am.
experienced it. So from that, what we
for
should know?
simplicity.
What
First,
we should? Yeah, sugar. We have to add sugar before adding. Okay, and then only the sugar can dissolve in the solvent. We should
Okay.
add ice after adding
After.
the sugar.
Mixing also, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we are adding sugar powder, means what will happen?
If
If
it
it
is
is
sugar powder, it will. But listen, sugar powder also has to mix with the water, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is also
yes.
it will take some time, but not like that of the
2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Okay.
Not like real sugar.
So these all things, these 3. Why the sugar dissolve fastly in hot water? That is
Melt.
what I want to know.
It will melt.
Yes, why?
It will melt, right?
It will melt.
Why it is melting fastly?
Because it's very hot.
Because it is very hot. The water is very hot.
Okay, I will tell you. See,
Okay.
when we are heating a substance, we are giving the energy directly to it. Okay, when we are heating some substance means we are giving energy directly to it. So when these substances getting energy, after you have a lot of energy, after eating so much chocolates and all, you can't sit properly, right? You have to go round. See,
stomach
during
can
the
take.
during the
Sometimes.
school days, I saw in 4C what was the condition. I know that. So
For C,
4C.
Or D?
No, 4D also that I will tell you. So 4C, you may fight, running, that all things, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when
The old
we
class.
have some energy, we will move fast. In the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way, when we heat water, the substances, water substances and sugar substances will move fast. When they are moving fastly, they will mixes also fast. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
When we use heat and when we use hot water, the substances will get energy. Okay. With this energy, these substances will move fast. When they move fast, these substances mixes together. This fast movement is not there in the normal water and also in the
Cold
cold
water.
water.
Cold water.
Okay, so this activity also you have to do. From this, what you have to understand,
We can
In
read.
the warm water, it will
Warm
mix us very
water
fast.
can.
in the hot water and all, you can
Ma'am, in the tea and
tea and
hot.
Tea,
you
coffee.
can
Yes,
add
ma'am.
these solutes fastly. But when you are preparing some juices and if somebody asks you to put some ice cubes, you have to make it sure you put the solute before putting the
That
ice
was
cube.
Salt.
ice
Yes,
cream.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
do this and check these activities.
Okay, ma'am.
Read
Okay,
the
ma'am.
We
textbook.
will put after
I will send the notes also. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
tuition
Okay, ma'am.
notes.
everybody should read the textbook. Okay,
Okay,
Hridan.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Hridan also got lots of energy. He is also rounding here. Huh? Okay. So read it properly. Okay. So
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think it is the time to wind up.
Thank you,
Hridan.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
It
you.
was a wonderful session, ma'am. Thank you for